Is that my head?
Yeah.
Where's my eyes?
No, I
Only have one eye?
see eye.
Oh, thanks. Where's my nose?
Nose.
Where's my mouth?
Mouth.
Is my mouth smiling?
Oh, here.
And
Doggy.
nice. Do I have any hair?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. What about my ears? Oh, thank you. And do I have any clothes on?
Yeah.
Oh, I got another set of ears? Nice. So that's what Mommy looks like?
Yes.
Good job.